Do you want to know how you can log into your Iris Payroll account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Iris Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, and then search for Iris Payroll Login. Go ahead and click on this link, which is over here on the first. After you click on this link, it will take you to this site, and you can see there are separate login portals. You can click on the first one. So it says Iris Elements. So go ahead and click on this, and it will take you to the official site of Iris Payroll. Now what you need to do is write down your email address in this box over here. After you write down your email address, go ahead and click Next. Then the password option will show. Go ahead and write down your password associated with your account in Iris Payroll. After you write down your password, make sure to check it once by clicking on this icon over here. So after you click on this icon, and if it is correct, click on Verify. This way, you can successfully log into your Iris Payroll account. If you have confusion about your password or have forgotten it, click on this link and a mail will be sent to you by Iris Payroll, and you can click on the link which is sent to you on your mail, and then you can reset that password and you can log into your Iris Payroll account once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.